Hey there, Cricut crafters. This is Beth, and I am with Crafty Corner. We are an authorized retailer of Cricut products. I wanted to show you today some great gifts you can make with your Cricut. First up are bookmarks. What a great add-on item to some books or some fuzzy socks. Every time they open up their favorite book, they're going to think of you. Next up are custom cups. Everyone loves a great cup. Now you can personalize it with either their name or favorite things. Number 3 is garden accessories. These are not just for the green thumb people on your list. Everyone would love a beautiful decorated flower pot or even a personalized stepping stone. Coasters are number 4. These are super fun to make, and I love giving coasters with a fun mug or some glasses. Next we have tea towels. These can be personalized with a funny saying or a family name, and they're so pretty hanging in the kitchen. Number 6 is tote bags. Who doesn't love a bag for all the things? There are so many options when it comes to tote bags too. You can add iron-on vinyl, you can use infusible ink, you can even use vinyl as a stencil for the paint. Number 7 is an awesome gift, but can take a little more work. But that is a doormat. People love changing out their doormats for each season. You could give them something that fits their personality. Last, but certainly not least, is a personalized pillow. Throw pillows are a great way to spruce up your home all year. So they of course make excellent gifts. Try a Spiral Betty pillow, or even infusible ink on a pillow. Anyone loves a pillow as a gift. And that's it. Thank you for watching the 8 gifts you can make with your Cricut. Be sure to subscribe to catch all of our great videos. Head on over to Craft-e-Corner.com for your Cricut supplies. Happy crafting!